of the parking lot.
I thought so. See, we cut down the time and get to enjoy the beauty, don't we? That is pretty. Get this side of the creek.
Rest spot.
Somebody's gonna make sure.
I seen a boat on the right there. There's a boat up on the bank right here.
Oh, it is, isn't
Yeah,
it?
there's
I
a boat.
see it. Little bass boat.
Yeah.
It's kind of Papa had.
Yeah, that's what put me in mind frame on.
Uh-huh. No trespassing private property.
Yeah.
Do not pick the flowers, Michelle.
I didn't plan on it. I done told you I didn't want to go to jail. I'm afraid to touch flowers.
Huh?
I'm afraid to touch flowers.
Yeah, I wouldn't do it here.
No.
But we can enjoy them.
Exactly.
Let's come in the springtime, see what all's here, because I say there's a lot of wildflowers.
Yeah, even in the fall, maybe.
Yeah. Knock, knock.
Yeah. I want to know what those are.
I don't know.
I don't want to stop and look right now.
And this one, I don't know what,
Watch out, you got some people coming up behind
30 kph. That's one we seen earlier.
you. Yeah.
That's beautiful, dog. What kind was it?
I don't know.
It got by me too fast. It's pretty though. There's a breezer here.
I know, I'm not.
Is that opening on the left where the vendors
Yeah,
are?
it's over here.
Okay.
Yeah, you can't see back through there now.
When I'm walking in here, it feels like I'm at home, walking on my road.
Yeah, only your road's not paved.
No, it ain't paved. It has all these woods,
Oh, I know that.
all these limbs, tree limbs.
I want to start coming up that way.
Huh?
I want to start coming up that way.
You need to.
I don't know. That's what I keep telling myself. Like on Sundays, like I used to.
I would let you. I'd even feed you.
I took a break.
Don't let me get run over.
I'm looking both ways.
I wonder if they got more vendors than just this.
I don't know.
Not that I came for the vendors.
I couldn't tell you, Mama.
Uh-uh.
I didn't even know anything about this till you mentioned it.
You didn't.
No, watch out.
You gotta move over. Look at that car, the
Yeah.
Outback. It's got bees on it.
Swirl.
Yeah. That's neat.
Butterflies on this side.
Huh?
Butterflies and an owl on this side.
That's pretty. It's an Ijams car. We'll see if she comes back with food. She says she's not hungry, but he's talking her into the food, I think, maybe. No telling. Bear dogs. And this is what?
It's a vegan option to a hot dog. It's grilled watermelon with lemon zest. I think he said parsley and some blue agave.
It don't sound like a hot dog.
It's not a hot dog.
I know, but if it's the vegan, what'd you substitute?
Yeah.
It ought to taste like a hot dog.
Well, we're about to try and see.
Okay, let me know. You taking a picture of it?
Almost too hot to eat.
Well, let me know. I won't video you having to eat it. Or maybe you smelling it. Ah,
Oops, it dripped on you.
that's all right. Not bad.
No, it's different.
Totally different. I think I like cold watermelon better, but it does have good flavor.
Yeah, it tastes pretty good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can swim down here.
At your own risk.
Yeah. We can swim at our point. I just want to see what it's like.
What's this right here?
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm. There's a shiny something in the rock.
Mm-hmm. At least it's shaded down here.
Yeah, I don't want to go all the way.
Shoes unless I'm exhausted. They say look out for the birds, waterfowl, reptiles, and mammals.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen a blue heron? I don't think I have.
I don't know.
I hear the birds.
Oh, yeah.
That's a neat trail. We got trails in the neighborhood, Michelle. We're going to have to try them out, too.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, they're from the Razors and four-wheelers, but...
Well, I see them sometimes, but...
Yeah, we can walk on them. They've knocked them down into trails.
Yeah. Cool.
That does look like a teepee from here.
Yeah, it does.
I didn't see it this way coming
I
down.
wonder if there's some kind of sign in here.
I don't know. There's a what? There is. Yeah, there is. I see it now. It's a short rope. Yeah. And they got it right here.
That's what pissed me off. People throw the trash on the road.
Oh, I know.
That makes me so angry.
It don't take nothing to take it with you.
No, just hold on to it.
Hello.
Uh-huh.
You done helloed me.
I did. An owl, the fox, and a little bunny.
Uh-huh. Wonder what that is
Oh,
down
no,
here.
let's go see.
There's some picnic
see
benches
it.
down there.
If that's a souvenir shop, I might be getting me souvenirs today.
We can walk down there. Probably be closer to our car anyway.
Yeah, our car's that way.
Over there.
I don't know, maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe, I don't know.
I like that archway.
Yeah, it's pretty. Nice little play area back there.
Uh-huh.
Jelly's Glow. Oh. One of the first 4 kids that got to enjoy this piece of property.
Aw.
I like it.
Uh-huh.
I have to bring your kids back.
You will. Little hut. And a kid house. That's neat in here for little kids, isn't
I like
it?
it. Yeah, I have to bring kids back.
Huh?
So we definitely have to bring kids
Oh,
back.
yeah. I see tents, too.
Yeah. There's a other parking lot.
I thought so. See, we cut down the time and get to enjoy the beauty. Don't we?
Mm-hmm.
That is pretty.
Peaceful.
Mm-hmm. There any fish?
Yeah, I don't see any.
I don't see any either. On the plant right here. Dragonfly.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
See it on the leaf?
I do now that you say that.
I've seen more dragonflies here than I do at the house.
Yeah.
They're flying everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
You said, what? Says it's a pet station.
Cool.
All sprawled out on the bench.
Bird building a nest in the
Sure are.
box.
This is the visitor center.
300 acres.
How many?
It's 300 acres.
Wow. I think I heard about 90 was sunflowers.
70.
Oh, 70.
I
I'm
thought
sorry.
we said 70.
Okay. A lot of acres.
Yeah, still a lot.
What else down here? I'm being nosy. Trying to see what's down here. I think it's a bunch of conference rooms. I think they're all conference rooms down there. There's some sunflower socks.
Yeah.
Tape me, I'm yours.
What?
It says tape me, I'm yours.
Oh, yeah, it does, don't it?
What you didn't know what I was saying.
I thought, I'm looking at soap. I was like, where did tape me come from?
That I
didn't
don't know.
see that.
I don't know where it's coming from, but
I mean, I guess that's what that used to be for, was tape dispensers.
oh, I don't know. Fun and fanciful tape, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's funny. Are you seeing anything?
Nothing I can't live without. Nothing I can't do without.
Did you see the earrings?
No. The girls and I are so sensitive. I don't always pay attention
Look.
to them. Yeah, those are pretty. Those are real pretty.
Mm-hmm.
I like the mushrooms. Those are cute.
Huh?
I like the mushrooms. Those are cute.
Those are cute, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
I can picture Omi wearing them.
I like the moon necklace down here.
Oh, that's pretty, ain't it?
Mm-hmm. The one with the eye.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Are you hungry?
No.
That's clearance on this rack.
Yeah.
They got Halloween socks in there.
Yeah, I saw that. Hey, girl.
There a turtle in there?
Yeah, there's a turtle. You gotta look back that way.
Oh, it is. Hey, and it's out.
Yeah, there's one down here on the bottom too. It's facing the other way. I don't care nothing about the snake.
Hi, little turtle. That's about as good as I'm gonna get you. Let me see what's down
Oh, there's a
here.
snapping turtle in there.
Oh yeah, there's a big turtle in there.
Mm-hmm.
Anything in here?
A
Gray
reptile
rat
or
snake.
something.
Look at that snake.
I don't care nothing about no snake.
Ooh, look at that. I remember
see it.
remember when we went to the zoo
I hate
that year and
exhibit.
that
Hated that exhibit.
that one boy that he went to school with was in there teasing me about the snakes.
Don?
Yeah. Common fish.
That snapping turtle over here.
Where?
Dollywood would appreciate it if we don't throw things in Shelley's tank. She's back there on the wall.
I see her. She's
Her
pretty.
head was up
She's
a minute
pretty.
ago. Yeah, she's back in finger up.
I guarantee you that. Too. I caught one about like that when I was younger. Hi, Dee. I can see you breathing. Yeah. Thanks, Dolly.
Yep.
More fish.
Yeah, all kinds of fish.
Supposed to be a turtle, I think. Oh, I see it. I see it through the glass. I seen it back there, but I think it's somewhere.
Should have been a rear image.
I don't know where it's at. I just seen the image of it against that. I bet it's on the other side of that.
Yeah, it's hiding.
But I did see it.
Right here.
You find it?
Yeah, it's moving.
Yep.
Coming back that way now.
Huh?
It's right there.
Yeah, there it is. It's a swimming.
Its eyes look funny.
I know. I thought so too.
I'll
Oh,
show
it's
it for
swimming.
this Eastern spiny soft shell over there.
Yeah, if you find it, let me know. I didn't see it.
Oh, that is hiding right there.
You find it hiding?
It's under the sand. Because that looks like it's back. Because look at this picture.
Oh, yeah, it is. Right there.
Yeah, it's buried itself.
Well, I'm trying to... Right there.
Yeah, that's it. That's an eastern spiny soft shell. This unusual turtle is named for the fact that it has small spines along the front edge of its shell.
Wow. It's buried right now.
Yeah, it's hiding. Well, that's what it says it does.
Uh-huh. Look at that lone.
Yeah, I know. It looks funky, don't it?
Uh-huh. Let's see what's on the other side over here.
There's
Nothing else. Just that birds. It'd be kind of neat to have, wouldn't it?
What's that?
It's called the perfect box for birds and banters, removable nest, and all.
Oh,
Wouldn't that be neat?
that's cool.
You can buy 6 for $5 probably in 1900.
That's a long time ago.
I know. I don't know what year. I'm
It's
just
Ijams
guessing.
family.
Oh wait,
Memorabilia.
it's well, it had to be
H.P.
at
Ijams.
1930, huh?
This is all from the
Uh-huh.
Ijams family. I think that's pretty neat.
I think so too.
Yeah.
Huh. Look at that turkey. That's a big turkey.
Yep.
Back there, no entry without wristband.
going anywhere.
Oh, I'm not either.
Yeah. We'll get back under the water a little more.
Still got its head above though.
Yeah. And whatever that thing is over there.
Uh-huh.
That creeped me out when I first walked around the corner.
All these. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Just let me know.
Red-tailed hawk.
Yep. You're welcome. Alright, babe. Yeah, we're walking back towards the car now.
There it is.
Yeah, we're seeing animals and stuff on our way out.
Red-tailed hawk.
Yeah. Well,
That's a big
enjoy.
bird.
Yeah.
Wonder what's on the next one.
Yeah.
If you get a hoot, give a hoot,
Yeah. What, Mama?
contribute.
We did. We paid $5.
Hi, I'm
a part.
Zoe, a female turkey vulture.
Yeah, no, we only had to pay $5 a part.
I don't see it.
And then I bought a piece of grilled watermelon that had lemon zest and parsley and blue agave. I ain't losing my kids for nothing.
No. I'm taking a filming a Rosa Sharon. They grow in the wild.
Yeah. Bye-bye, Rose.
Michelle says we have a hitchhiker in the car.
I thought you had a string on.
Is that a cutworm? I don't know what you call those.